everyone, I'm Joy and welcome to my channel Holistic Health with Joy. Konting introduction lang about me and my channel. I have a business affiliated with a US-based cellular nutrition company and I'm starting to study health coaching in the Institute of Integrative Nutrition in New York. Welcome to my first ever vlog! The reason why I started this channel is para po i-share sa inyo yung passion ko about health, about nutrition. I'll be giving some tips of how to live a healthier lifestyle. And medyo alam ko yung ibang tao hindi masyadong familiar sa holistic health. Health not only in terms of nutrition, kung ano yung kinakain natin, but holistically meaning all aspects of our life. So, I'm learning about this now and I want to share with you what I learned. If you're interested to learn about the 7 easy ways to start eating healthy, then keep on watching. Tip number 1. Have a clear reason why you want to start eating healthy. So, ano ba yung dahilan kung bakit gusto mong kumain ng mas healthy na pagkain? Is it because you want to lose weight? Or are you battling with some sort of an illness? Or gusto mo lang talaga maging healthy? And you want to know how to prepare healthy food for your kids and your family as well. So ask yourself, ano ba talaga yung reason kung bakit mo siya gagawin? Because the reason why most people fail, for example, they want to lose weight, kasi they don't really have a long-term goal. And yung iba gusto lang pumayat, like for example, pupunta sa beach, magsusuot ng two-piece, and you just want to look good. That's not long-term. Medyo mahirap masustain yung ganong reason. Keep in mind that eating healthy is building a habit, like brushing your teeth every day. It has to be done every day. And hindi siya short-term. So you have to be realistic with your goals. You have to start with baby steps. From those baby steps, then you develop a pattern or a habit that will help you sustain eating healthy in the long run. Tip number 2. Transition from fast food or junk food to restaurant food. Most common reason why nahihirapan yung mga tao to eat healthy is because wala silang time magluto. Parang gigising ka ng maaga, tapos magtatrabaho ka, and then pag uwi mo sa gabi, sobrang late na. So wala ka ng time magluto, di ba? Mga iba, dadaan na lang ng fast food kasi yun yung mabilis. So nagugutom na kasi. Pero, what we don't know is, this is a really, really bad habit. At nowadays, ang dami ng ibang option. So, di ba, meron ng delivery, and meron na ring drive-thru, or food for pickup na you can order beforehand. Para maiwasan natin yung mag-grab ng fast food or yung convenient food, like junk food, why not try going for healthier options for delivery? Like here sa Singapore, merong tinatawag na Grab Food. Maraming options na restaurants din. So, pwede kang bumili ng chicken rice for delivery. So, andun yung mga option. And of course, if you like to have restaurant food, pwede mo naman din siya i-order beforehand. And you can call 30 minutes earlier, then pick upin mo na lang. Or grab food easy, pero healthy pa rin. Start with baby steps at the same time realistic. Kung everyday ka nagpa-fast food, baka pwedeng kahit once in a week, skip mo muna yung fast food and try a restaurant food, or it's a way of indulging and rewarding yourself na rin. Tip number 3. Limit your fried food intake. Inventory of the fried food that you eat every day. So, gaano ka ba kadalas kumain ng fried food in a week? Like, everyday ba yan? In a day, how many times ka ba kumakain ng fried food? So, ano ba yung mga fried food? Fried chicken, french fries. If everyday ka kumakain yan, keep an inventory kung gaano mo siya kadalas kainin. And again, start by being more conscious of what you eat. And pwede kang mag-replace ng isang fried food in a week. So, hindi naman kailangan na i-eliminate mo siya agad-agad. I know it's very hard if nasanay ka na to eat fried food every day. Instead of buying fried food, try to look for other alternative food na hindi naman isa-sacrifice din yung taste. So, I'm not saying naman na kumain ka ng steamed or boiled if hindi mo talaga kaya yung food na walang lasa. So, there are other options like grilled, roasted, baked. Try to find a type of food na kaya pa rin yung taste buds mo i-take. Tip number 4. Eat more natural or whole foods. So, ano ba yung tinatawag nating natural or whole foods? Mga food na nasa form nearest to how you pick it up from the ground. So, mula nung hinarvest siya, most probably, it's the same, not processed. So, minsan hindi ka ba nagtataka na yung mga junk food, lagi siyang mas mura kaysa dun sa mga fresh or yung mga natural na food? It's because they are processed and they are added with preservatives to make them look more fresh and edible longer. Which means, hindi siya healthy. And yung tinatawag natin na processed foods or refined foods, ito yung mga nagsispike ng blood sugar natin. Yung white rice, so siya yung processed and refined version ng brown rice. If ever na-try mo na yung brown rice, pag kumain ka ng white rice, mas mabilis kang magutom. Whereas pag kumain ka ng brown rice, mas matagal. Kasi yung white rice, mas mabilis siyang i-process ng tiyan. Alam naman natin na pag mas mabilis mag-spike up yung sugar, it can also cause diabetes in the long run. So try eating fruits for snack instead of junk food. Sa gabi, hinihiwa ko na yung apple. Kasi minsan di ba nakakatamad pag kakagatin mo siya and I'm working sa office. So for me, mas madali na ikakat ko na yung fruits a day before. Tip number 5. Reduce intake of sugary food. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na may sweet tooth talaga, so try looking for better alternatives of sugar. Like honey, coconut sugar, or stevia. But remember, even though you choose the healthier version ng mga sugar, you have to eat them in moderation pa rin. Healthy sugar is still sugar. And if hindi mo talaga kaya i-give up yung chocolates, so try eating the healthier version which is 70% and up. So ito yung mga dark chocolates. So lessen your intake of sodas, of yung mga bottled juice, or mga iced tea in can. Kasi mataas yung sugar content ng mga yan. And if you're a fan of milk tea, so try to ask for less sugar. So dito sa Singapore, merong 0%, 25%, 50%. Mariregulate mo kung ano ba yung amount ng sugar sa drinks mo. Tip number 6. Stock up your kitchen, your office pantry, or your bag with healthy snacks. So, pag nagugutom ka, ano ba yung unang-una mong gagawin? Siyempre, hindi ka na makahintay, di ba? Kung ano na lang yung makita mo dyan sa kanto, yun na yung bibilin mo. People tend to grab what's accessible when they're really hungry. So, paano mo ma-avoid kumain ng junk food? Have something healthy in your bag, like nuts, or a piece of fruit sa bahay para ma-prevent yung mga bata na kumain ng junk food. Punuin mo yung fridge mo ng mga healthy na snacks para sa mga kids and for yourself. Tip number 7. Plan to cook or prepare healthy meals in advance. So sabi ko nga, may mga tao na hindi marunong magluto or wala talagang time magluto kaya napipilitan na fast food na lang lagi yung kinakain or kung ano yung convenient. If you cannot cook or you don't want to cook, you can also prepare healthy meals like sandwiches, salads, overnight oats, marami pong choices ng pagkain na hindi naman kailangan lutuin. And pwede naman natin i-replace yung 1 meal a week lang. Hindi naman po kailangan na araw-araw magluto or mag-prepare ng something healthy talaga kung hindi talaga kaya. One of the important thing then is prepare food that you enjoy. And don't force yourself to eat something that is healthy pero hindi mo naman talaga matake yung lasa. And try to prepare a new meal a week or pwede rin na a new fruit or a new vegetable na itatry mo every week para mas ma-excite ka. So there you have it guys, the 7 simple ways to start eating healthy. Again, always start with small baby steps and you will find yourself transitioning to healthy habits and change in a new lifestyle. Let me know which one of these tips have you tried so far and how it has helped you in the comment section below. If you guys want more health tips, watch out for more videos in this channel, Holistic Health with Joy. Always remember, a healthy life is a happy life. I'll see you in the next one.